Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap with Mama, local and long-distance movers near me. Here's how we ensure a stress-free relocation experience for our clients. First, we'll start by carefully packing your belongings, ensuring everything is secured and protected. Our skilled Wimauma local TM movers will load the boxes and furniture into our well-equipped moving trucks, taking care with fragile items. As we hit the road, our familiarity with the streets of Wimauma becomes a huge advantage. Knowing the city like the back of our hands allows us to efficiently navigate through the neighborhoods, avoiding any unnecessary delays or detours. While local moves within Wimauma rely on our familiarity with the city streets, long-distance moves require a different approach. We start by carefully packing and loading your belongings like local moves. However, we take precaution for your long-distance moves to secure your items during the journey. Our moving trucks are equipped with advanced safety measures, and our professional team utilize special techniques to safeguard your possessions from any bumps or jolts along the way. Moreover, we understand that long-distance moves come with unique challenges like logistics and coordination. We provide comprehensive planning and coordination services to ensure a smooth transition. Our team of Wimauma long-distance 3 movers works closely with you to create a customized moving plan that fits your specific needs and budget. We prioritize the safety of your belongings and provide transparent and competitive pricing, so you can have peace of mind knowing that your items are in reliable hands without breaking the bank. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Wimauma moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.